So hi everyone. So in this video, I want to just explain my new project that is a very advanced project. It will be including the LLM, front end with the Next.js, backend with the Python. So let me explain. So in the front end, I have used the Next.js. You can see the page.txt and the 12-in CSS and as well as some of the packages. So by using this Next.js, I have just implemented the front end. So in the backend, I have used the full Python. For the Python, we required any AI or LLM for the AI resume builder. So we have used a model called as Llama 3.2 1B. Okay, we have used for this. So let me show the output. It is currently running. See, I have run the command, and I will open this. Follow the link. Right? Yeah, it is loaded. So AI resume builder, it is uploaded. Sometime I have a lot of error. This is our first version of this. We'll implement this more and more for the next version. So my basically intention is when the user come here and then click here and he want to upload his resume. When he upload his resume, it should load. Sometime it does not load. Let's see what happened. So it will load the resume and extract all the details. If it is not able to extract, okay, what we do from our resume, we will select all, we will select copy, select all and copy. We'll paste here all the text here, and we click on OK. So what happened? The text will be loaded successfully in a way. So you can see this right side of the preview is empty, 100% empty. So I want to put the job description. So it works on the job description. I will put web development. Okay, web development and yeah, let it be in web development and cyber security. Cyber security. So I have put in two keywords, the job description. According to it, it should be generating. But currently, we have some trouble. The backend, okay, yeah, it is working. Yeah, so it worked. Sometimes what happened, the backend is not able to connect it. So we are working on it. So our just goal is that by using the job description, we go any type of job, we require the job description. Means according to the job description, we should create our resume. But unfortunately, we does not have that much of time in editing and patience. So this AI will help us to make it. So we are working on it, and we'll create this in a beautiful way and wonderful. So in this video, this was only. Thank you. Bye bye.